Hello guys, welcome back students. Friends, in that tutorial I could apply that as you can see that get options and I have to drag the pictures and to keep it on that side of the screen friends. Now I could apply that effect options. We have different kinds of beautiful effects we could choose for it like APR2 black and white, that one is the Fatal 2 guys, that's the HDR one guys, that's the ML3 background blur. Now guys I have to select that STR1 effect options. Further I would click on that one and here guys I would choose that mirror effect options for the photo friends which I could explore on it. That's a Olga 1992. That's a black and white in that artistic guys. We could see that mirror effects on the picture guys. We could watch on